Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel and SharePoint lists. We'll explore their core functionalities and help you decide which tool best suits your data management needs. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses is key to optimizing your workflow. We'll cover aspects like data storage, collaboration, and integration, providing a clear picture for your decision-making process. Excel is a fantastic tool for deep data analysis and complex calculations. Its robust formula engine allows for intricate financial models and statistical analysis. You can create highly customized charts and dashboards to visualize your data effectively. For individual users needing powerful local data manipulation, Excel remains an industry standard, offering unparalleled flexibility. SharePoint lists shine in collaborative environments, offering structured data storage accessible to many users. They provide robust versioning, tracking every change and who made it. Integration with other Microsoft 365 applications, like Power Automate, streamlines workflows. For managing shared information, tasks, or issues across a team, SharePoint lists offer a centralized and secure solution. So, when should you choose Excel versus a SharePoint list? If your work involves intricate calculations, personal data exploration, or offline access, Excel is likely your best bet. However, for team collaboration, structured data, version control, and integration with other business applications, a SharePoint list is often the superior choice. Consider your team's needs and data structure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.